Now, the act of kindness that's inspired an entire Perth workplace to pay it forward. What started as the gift of a guide dog to a young woman who lost her sight ended with a heartwarming mission to give that same gift to someone else. Mark Gibson has the story.
Basically, I've lost my entire central vision.
Come loose, straight, steady, straight across.
Kate Atkins was a perfectly healthy young woman who, at the age of 23, started going blind.
I've got nothing in the middle left at all. I can see around my peripheral vision slightly.
Within 18 months, Kate's eyesight was reduced to just 6%. Now, Lucy, the black Labrador, has become Kate's eyes and enabled her to keep her job.
If I say find the lift, she'll find the lift. If I say find the door, she'll find a door for me. And even finding seats on the train, she'll find me a chair, and if someone's sitting there, she'll put her head on their lap and she'll help me sit down. So she's been just wonderful.
27-year-old Kate is a financial secretary at Landcorp, where Lucy has become a popular member of the team.
We love her. We love her.
She's been a real welcomed extra staff member here. Morning, Kate.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm great.
Landcorp CEO Frank Mara says they were happy to modify Kate's job, including allowing a guide dog.
It's given back to Kate a lot of confidence and really makes it that she's able to contribute fully to her work here at the office.
Guide dogs don't come cheap. Each one costs $30,000 to train. Kate's workmates were so impressed by the anonymous donor who paid for Lucy that they decided to give the same gift to someone else.
All of Landcorp's staff were very keen to be able to pay it forward and to make sure that another West Australian is going to get the benefit of a guide dog.
Workplace donations raised $8,000, so they decided to ride from Perth to Bunbury to make up the other $22,000.
They wanted to show the same sort of support for someone else that has been shown to me.
And how does that make you feel?
Amazing. Lucky. Now I'm going to cry.
Kate and Lucy were there as 28 riders set off on the 200-kilometre journey. And they made it, surpassing their fundraising goal.
Knowing they've gone and done all of this just for me, well, not for me, like for someone else, to receive the same gift, it's great.
To know that we've raised enough money to have our own little guide dog makes a huge difference.
And this is that dog, a 16-week-old Labrador. The money raised by Landcorp will now turn this little fella into a guide dog for someone who really needs him. In the meantime, the staff are having a competition to name him. So how special is Lucy to you?
She's amazing. She's my best friend.
Kate's gift of kindness that inspired a workplace to spread good karma.
I think that everyone should continue to keep giving and helping other people, because it's helped me so much having Lucy that I think that it should help someone else as well.
And the new